While on vacation, my 13-year-old son and I decided to take the kayaks out a couple of hours before dead low tide. Obviously, it's a little bit of an unfamiliar area for us, and we were going to learn a lot.
All right, there's more water this way. These poles indicate a deeper channel. Hopefully I've got enough clearance to draft my boat.
Pushing one pedal all the way forward brings the fins up flat to the hull of the boat. This should have given me enough room to draft in almost no water.
Aiden, you gotta wait for me, honey. I'm stuck. Aiden! Aiden! You gotta wait for me. I'm stuck.
The water is much, much shallower than it looks and much shallower than we expected.
Because you don't have your phone with you, you have to stay where I can see you, honey. All right? All right. Oh, look at that. Did you see that? A fish right there. You didn't see it, but that's okay. There's fish right here. All right. Ooh, this wind is fun. Okay. I'm stuck again. Yeah, this is really hard with this skinny water in this kayak. Damn it. See, look at the bottom. I'm on these oysters. If you want to go in front of me and just explore, I'll try to keep up with you. But if you hear me yell, just stop, okay? So I think this is the deeper channel over here. You cannot get on these oyster beds, honey. They are razor sharp. I'm stuck. Damn it. See, these beds go all the way out to here. I'm stuck again. What's up? Just be careful getting back in because your seat's not attached.
At this point, I'm starting to realize that maybe I'm really in trouble because my Mirage drive is stuck deep into the mud and I'm really not being able to move it at all or pull the fins up under the boat. Here you see me trying to remove the Mirage drive from the kayak, but I can't. It's just stuck into the mud.
No, you're not. I have a pedal drive that is stuck in the mud. I need your help. I need you to just like bang into me really hard.
Okay. I mean, I could
Just bang into me really hard. I'm just trying to get knocked free from this mud so I can take this out. Okay, well that didn't. Just push. Yeah, push really hard. No, push. Push.
Can't do that if I'm floating away.
Okay. Oh, yeah, I think that's helping. I don't think I'm out. No, look where the mud is. It's right there. I'm stuck. I can't get the drive out. I'm completely stuck. All right. Let's see if that's enough. Yeah, I gotta get it. This is not a good idea, honey. We're gonna get stuck.
Already did.
Right, so we gotta get out of here. I'm still stuck.
At this point, I just decided to take the camera off, and I figured I was going to have to get out of the kayak, so I didn't want to get everything wet.
GoPro, stop recording. Our current status is Aiden is chest deep in mud.
Wow.
My kayak is stuck
I'm not chest deep
in mud.
I am the mud.
I am hip deep in mud. Aiden's kayak is beached on oysters. I'm beached on mud.
We're having a good time. Send help. Our location is in the description. That's a joke, by the way. This is uploaded and gotten out.
Yeah, because we don't have any Wi-Fi out here. Well, it's a gorgeous night at low tide here on the dock, and it's been an eventful afternoon. As you might be able to tell from my kayak and Aiden's that he was in, we had a bit of an incident with the mud. I got stuck, he got stuck, and we had to do some digging to get out. This water is significantly higher than it was earlier, which is weird because this should be dead low tide. Mistakes were made. We learned a lot about low tide and when not to go out in a kayak. There are fish jumping and feeding behind me, by the way, and it's killing me because I don't have anything to throw. I just broke off on an oyster bed. And my phone died when I was out on the dock, so here I'm finishing up the recording. Listen, it was a crazy day, but a kind of a bonding experience for me and my son. Sometimes, you know, these things that are unexpected and really kind of suck can form some of the best memories, you know. How we respond to tough situations and how we work together as a family really can turn out to be some of the most meaningful times in our relationships and in our family life. And so for that reason, I'm actually kind of glad this happened. We still have some cleanup to do. Obviously, the kayaks are a mess, and I'm on load like 4 of laundry already. But we're safe, and everybody's okay, and it's certainly a story to tell, and we've got some great mud pictures. So thank you guys so much for watching with us. I hope you enjoyed watching our big mess of mud. Thanks a lot, and we'll catch you later.